Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva to design your social media posts. So once you are on the Canva website or app, you can click on the home page and then you would see the various icons here. You have to just scroll and choose the social media section here. Click on it and it should bring you to a page similar to this. Now you can choose the social media app you aim to post the um, graphic. So there is Facebook, there is Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube thumbnail, TikTok. So it depends on what you have in mind. So let's assume we want to design a okay, we even have Pinterest, Twitter. So let's assume we want to design a let me see, an Instagram post. We even have WhatsApp here. So all you have to do is click on the templates and choose them. You can also scroll down and see the popular ones people have done over the past, and we can just model them. So once we've done that, we can just choose a template to work with. Okay, this is just a blank page and we get to fill in the details. But one good thing is that the page is already customized to fit these respective social media apps. So we can also choose our templates from here. Note that we have premium templates and free templates. Premium templates are for paid users, so you can also scroll here and choose, or you can also type what you aim to get. So let's say you want maybe you want to create a post for asthma day, asthma. So you can just click on asthma and it will bring out results for everything related to asthma, and you can create from there. So this is how to use Canva for your social media post. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Thank you very much and do have a great day.